shared with you what I got with my Ipsy subscription for the month of April, which I literally only got like about 3 days ago. So if you're always wondering, or you've seen the 20, 30-year-olds do these and you're not sure what do you get when you are a mature Ipsy beauty subscriber, if you have a similar complexion to mine and you have kind of combination oily in the T-zone, a little bit dry, very fair complexion, light color hair, then this might be the video for you. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my Ipsy subscription for April 2019, then just keep watching this video. All right, so first of all, it always comes in this lovely pink foiled package. So it's always fun to receive. And with the Ipsy, as in most of these beauty subscriptions, you fill out a beauty profile, of course, and just telling them your comfort level with makeup and, you know, just sort of what sort of brands you like, what type of colors you like, that sort of thing. And then you can also, with Ipsy, review monthly. Say if you've been getting a lot of brushes, or you've been getting too much perfumes, or you've been getting too many whatevers, blushes, then you can just change it and say, yes, I like those sometimes, but I'd like to get more of this. And they actually do listen to you, because they did listen to me. So anyways, you also get it every month, and then it is just billed to your credit card. And that's about it. I don't even have a link down below. It's just www.ipsy.com, but I will leave the website down below in the description bar. And you can just click on it, and then you can sort of see if this is something that you'd be interested in. And at first I thought that was a whole lot of waste, except I actually use the makeup bags. So there you go. You could use them. You can certainly store all kinds of different things in them. So I'm pretty excited because this bag this month, ooh, it's so lovely. It's just very spring-like. It is this kind of vinyl. It's actually very well constructed, cute little summer spring bag with all kinds of beautiful lemons on it. And then it has this really cute little satin yellow pull tab, and then it says Ipsy on the outside. So also recently they've been giving you cards. So you do get a card in here. There's the card. It says build your dream bag, and then it just talks about how you can build a custom dream bag for yourself. And then when you open up the card, you will get all of the description of all the items that you receive. So is there a theme to it? Just says fresh spring beauty. That's the theme. So the first thing I can see I'm grabbing is this rod here. You will never be able to see it. One day, I'm going to invest in a ring light. That's right, you heard me, a ring light. So hopefully all this brash, whitish, IKEA light business will end. But anyways, what this little tube is it's the Hydrating Primer Base Tape from Tarte. So it's really quite cute, actually. It says this is a double duty beauty primer because it obviously hydrates the skin as well as primes the skin, getting ready to lay down your makeup for the day. And the size of it is, this is a 10 ml sample, so that's pretty good. I can't really say that I'm familiar with a base tape from Tarte, but we all know about the shape tape from Tarte. Yes, we do, but I digress. Okay. So it is just a clear liquid. And okay, there's a very, very mild scent to it, but I don't know. There you go. It just melts right into the skin. It's got a little bit of tack to it, which is good for keeping the makeup on. But yeah, feels good, feels hydrating. It's not a pore minimizing primer, so don't be looking for that. All right, what's the next thing? Oh, I do like a good brush. So, $1 billion brush. It's the $1 billion brush. So don't try buy it because it's $1 billion. Okay, so it has a little guard on there, which is really cute. Obviously, it's a fan brush. So it's pretty cool, actually. Yes, let me just read up on this. Clearly, it is a fan brush. I just want to see what it says. The $1 billion brushes, this is the fan brush, and It just says this baby is densely packed with charcoal infused bristles. Aha! So this is to repel any bacterial buildup if you're kind of like me and you only wash your brushes every couple of weeks. That would be really something for using that. So that's cool. And I love when it comes with a brush fiber guard. Because I don't like when they get all kind of cray and they start splaying out. This kind of holds it in place, and it's obviously really good for travel when they're shipping the brushes. So I'm really excited. Thank you, Fan Brush from $1 Billion Brushes. So that is also another really good product. Oh, what's this little thing? Oh, okay. So this is one that I've received in the past. This is one of those indie brands that I talked about, but they always make a good, eyeliner. And this is the EYEKO. This is just an EYEKO eyeliner, and that's what it is. It's an EYEKO eyeliner, and it is in the color Carbon Black. So it's got a beautiful sort of very, very, very precise little felt liner. Oh yes, girl. And just lays down that black, that carbon black beautifully. So it's really nice, and of course it's got a nice cap to it, good little size for traveling, so really happy with that one. 3 out of 3, really good. Next item, also in a tube. What is this? This is the MOLY. Oh, K-Beauty Alert. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, I think my editing self could probably put in some sound effects. I don't know. But anyways, this is MOLY. So this is a Korean skincare brand that I'm probably most familiar with the actual face masks. But this is a Peach Punch Sweet Foam Cleanser for your face. Yes, so let's just take off the little foil cap there. And let me just put a tiny bit on, because obviously it's a foam cleanser. So, oh, wow, that smells like mega peach. So it comes out almost like in a whitey foam sort of cream. And then obviously you would add water. So I'm pretty excited about that. That looks to be, is it about the same? I can't really tell. Wow, the writing on this is even smaller and it's in lighter. So 4 out of 4. And let's see what's the last item in my Ipsy bag for April. It says NOMAD, Berlin. Okay, well, I don't know what that means, but it says it is an intense eyeshadow. Well, I do like intense, and I see it has a tiny little bunny here with the heart, and that's good because that means it is cruelty-free, so you can use it knowing that they haven't hurt any animals in the process. That's really good. It says it's a duochrome intense yellow highlighter with extra fine pigmentation. All right. It is the cutest little compact I have ever seen. That is so cute. Okay, stamped NOMAD on the black lid. Oh, too bad. Doesn't have a mirror. I was going to say it has a mirror. Does not. There you go. That is a very, very, that's an intense yellow. I don't think it's an intense yellow. But let's just swatch it out because, my swatches, they're so amazing. Wow, so it definitely is very fine milled. It is a yellow, but it almost has a duochrome of green. I'm going to just pop it right on the center of my eye there because it's just that cool. Wow, it's really, really fun. Super cute. Never heard of NOMAD eyeshadow before. So an indie brand, but really, really cool. So you got the eyeshadow, you get the $1 billion brush dollars. Very, very cool. The charcoal infused fibers. You get the Tarte base tape. So I will be using that. And you get the MOLY K-Beauty Peach Cleansing Foam, still smells like peach, and you get the EYEKO Precision Carbon Black to carve out some really good, nice wings or cat eyes. And the very uber cute, very spring inspired lemon little zippy, which is really, really cute. So that is what you get if you are a mature Ipsy subscriber and you have similar skin complexion and colorings to me, then that's possibly what you'd get. So I'd have to say I'm really, really pleased. I would say on all of them. I mean, I don't know how often I'll be going out with a yellow duochrome eyeshadow, but it's certainly in the right place. It's certainly in to test out the MOLY face cleanser, which I'm going to try out tonight. And I can't wait to try out the Base Tape Hydrating Primer as well. So definitely good, awesome, really love it. That's about it, you guys. As I say at the end of all of my videos, because my channel is called AbFab, which means absolutely fabulous, I hope that you all have an absolutely fabulous week. Take care, everybody. Bye. Mwah.